We're going to be using straight line graphs a lot in the A-level, and it's really important you understand y equals mx plus c like the back of your hand, and that's what we're going to cover today. Let's find the gradient of this line. We can use the formula gradient equals change in y over change in x. The line has gone up 5 and 8 to the right, so it would be 5 over 8 will be our gradient. Let's do this a different way. Let's work out the coordinates of the start and end of the line and use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The first coordinate will be our x1, y1 coordinate, the 1, 3. And the second coordinate will be our x2, y2 coordinate, 9, 8. y2 is going to be 8 and y1 is 3, so it's 8 minus 3. And x2 is 9 and x1 is 1, so it'd be 9 take away 1. This will give us the answer of 5 over 8 as well. Let's go through these questions. To find the gradient between two coordinates, we need to first of all assign each of the coordinates to x1 and y1 or x2 and y2. So minus 6 will be our x1 and 13 will be our y1 and 5 will be our x2 and 3 will be our y2. And we can just simply use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which will be minus 10 over 11. If an equation is written as y equals mx plus c, we can find the gradient and y-intercept really easily. The gradient will be the coefficient of the x, which we've shown as m, and the y-intercept will be the plus c bit at the end. So looking at our equation, y equals 15x minus 6, the gradient will be 15, and the y-intercept will be minus 6. When an equation isn't written in the form y equals mx plus c, we can rewrite it in this format and find the gradient and y-intercept simply. So for this equation, we need to start by adding 6y to both sides, and then we can divide everything by 6. That will give us y equals 3x plus 2.3. The gradient will be the coefficient of the x, which will be 3, and the y-intercept will be the positive 2.3 at the end. And let's finish with this. A line has the points 2, 3 and 10, 7. Describe how you can tell that 8, 6 is also on the line. If you know, write it in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description and access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.